Okay, I bought this two-cycle blower. It's a pretty powerful 32cc blower in vac from Sears. It's a craftsman. It's 360 CFM, 170 mile per hour blower capacity. As you can see, I haven't used this for a long time, and I tried to start it the other today, and well, actually I've been trying to start it for the last 2 years, but I haven't been able to start it. I've been using electric blower, so instead of this gas mode blower, so I guess it's time to resurrect this gas blower. Okay, so it's Sears. I'm going to show you how to resurrect it. I'm going to show you what's wrong with it. Okay, so it's very difficult to open this thing because these screws all use these crazy star shape screws. So you really need this kind of screwdriver, the star shape screwdriver, in order to be able to open this snow blower. Okay, and not snow blower, leaf blower. And as you can see, I need two of them. This guy here and this guy here. These are the star shape. This is a Husky I bought from Home Depot. It's a professional, number 46103. It's a Torx from T10 to T10, T15, T20, 25, 27, 30, 40. I believe this guy is T40. This guy is T40 instead of the T25 instead of the T40. T40 is the smallest one, so this guy is T25. And what I'm holding, this is T15, as you can see. It's a T15, this guy, T15. Okay, so you need these screws are all T25. As you can see, it fits perfectly. Without this star shape screwdriver, you're not going to be able to open this leaf blower. So I already loosened these thing, and I'm going to show you what's wrong with it. And I actually tried to start this thing and put in some starting fluid and try to start, but the gas is not going through this thing, because let me show you what happened. So let me, because I was able to, this is pretty easy, just clip this, and then this one is open. And then you gotta take all these two screws. There's a screw here, there's a screw here, there's a screw here, so many screws in here. And then you can totally take this off. It just snaps off. As you can see, 4 legs here. You can snap this off pretty easily. So put those two items on the side, and then you're gonna come to here. This thing, I actually already separated it. So you can see it just try to separate the two things, and this can be separated as well. Okay, so put that aside too, and this actually comes off like that. Alright, so it's pretty easy. And then you see the gas tank here, and then I'm gonna try to turn this thing around, so you can see how I disassemble this side, and just like that, this piece comes off just like that, because this piece is actually connected with this thing, in addition to the screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws, and then maybe this one, top one, 6, and then this is just plug into here. So you just pull this thing out, and you can separate this gas leaf blower. Now take a look here. This is the carburetor. It's very clean, actually, because I haven't been using this one for 20 years. And you can see this little tube here, it actually broke off. This is actually the gas tube it's supposed to go from here, the gas tank, um, here to, it's a 2 cycle, so it's actually gas and oil mixed with 50 to 1. 50 parts of gas and 1 part of oil. Any 2 cycle engine oil. And you can see this little, if you look into here, this small oil tube actually got stuck and broke away in here, from here to here. And I'll show you the broke away piece, which is right here. Okay, it's so brittle because this tube, I haven't been using this for a long time. You know, and this is the #1 killer of any kind of gas engine if you have it. You know, the tube, the gas tube, actually fuel tube actually crystallized, and it just, you know, broke into pieces very easily. You know, so that's why the gas is actually, the tube is actually stuck here, and it's trying to feed into here, but it can't because it's stuck. So I'm gonna strip this out, and I'm gonna I don't know, maybe I'll just use an electric wire tube to connect from here to here, and there's my you know, solution for this gas tube here. And it you can see it's still probably pretty clean, because my problem is just the gas is not going into here. Of course, I'm just gonna use my carburetor cleaner, clean this thing a little bit, spray this down a little bit, because so this way I can hopefully get this thing to start again. It's almost like a brand new leaf blower, because I haven't used it for a long time. You know, these gas motors, you know, if you haven't used it for a while, it tend to die, because it does need all the maintenance and stuff. So anyway, so that's my problem right here. This hole here of the fuel line to here, the fuel line just crystallized and broke. So I'm going to try to come up with another tube to feed it into here, and then I'll be able to be in business again. But again, I'm going to try to clean this carburetor now. So let me see, all crystallized. See, it just broke away like that. See, it just broke away like that. See, it just broke away like that. So I'm going to spray into here, make sure the fuel is open. Okay. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Dang. See this? There's a tube in there that I need to get it out. Alright, so I'm gonna get my plier now. See that tube in there? That plastic tube in there? Okay. Oh boy. There you go. See this tube? This long tube. See, it broke away. That's why the gas is not coming out, you know. So I think I can still reuse See? It's so bristle now. See? So I'm gonna reuse this. Okay. Or reuse this. Um, yeah. There's something in there too. But so I think I'm just gonna drop this back in there because it's not too hard to get it out. See, it's not too hard to get this out. So that's the part I need to buy. I probably should buy the. See, I need to buy this, right? And I probably need to buy my something for the carburetor. Okay, the rebuilt carburetor. So there's a couple things I need to buy before I can resurrect this filter. So let me go ahead and get my carburetor cleaner to clean this. So this is a carburetor choke cleaner from Advanced Auto. So let's just spray into the carburetor to clean it. You know, but I think more importantly, what I need is to get this fuel line. So I'm gonna try to see if I can get a electric wire, and then see if I can also get something to clean this port. I hope there's nothing in here, but I could be